Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking lamb pepper pot and homemade bread, and this is my mom's recipe. I have garlic, wiri peppers and onion. The oil is hot. I'm going to add that to the oil. We're gonna just let this saute for 3 minutes, and in the meantime I will crush the allspice. Now I'll add the meat. I have lamb meat and the roast feet. The next thing I'm going to add is salt, black pepper, whole clove, allspice, all-purpose seasoning and cinnamon stick. And we're gonna cover this and continue cooking for 5 minutes. Five minutes now. I'm going to add boiling water. And we're going to continue cooking until the meat fall off the bones. Now I'll mix the bread. I have flour. To that I'm going to add yeast and sugar and baking powder. Give that a mix. Now I'll add the butter. And I'm using unsalted butter. Now I have the eggs. Now I'll add water. I'm gonna cover this. I'll leave it for 1 hour and then I'll make the bread. It's an hour now for the dough. And we're gonna make some buns. So just like that, round. And we'll put one in the middle. And this one is done. And we'll make one loaf. And for this one, I'll just stretch it out. to the length of the pan. Now I have olive oil here, and I'm just gonna brush the top like so. And I have my oven preheated at 425 degrees. Now I'm going to put these in the oven. And we'll leave these to bake. The pepper pot is almost done. I'm going to add the peppers. And the pepper pot is finished cooking. And the bread is finished. Here is my mom's lamb pepper pot with homemade bread. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video. And I'm going to show you the inside of the bread. This bread is perfect to go with pepper pot.